I got 3 brain cells left and 2 are playing hide and go seek right now. And the other brain cell's sitting in the corner by himself because he has issues with intimacy. He's got. I don't know if you've noticed this or not, but I don't really need an audience. I mean, I'm glad you're here. I am, but let's face it, if this room was empty, I'd still be up here. Because a court order is a court order. That's an annoying sound, isn't it? That's what my brain sounds like when it kicks in reverse. It sounds like a lady dropped a vibrator and it's getting away, doesn't it? Kill it! Oh my God, it's going after the mouse. Hey, you got that picture in your head? All right, now come inside my mind, I'll show you how fucked up I am. I don't see that. What I see is a vibrator going across the floor, mouse walks out, little mouse, he puts on a cowboy hat and he rides that son of a bitch like a rodeo. His whole family's rooting him on. 3 more seconds, you're gonna get the cheese belt. That's what I don't know why my wife married me either.